Gala Crystal Palace Inc., we have our general manager here, Miss Arnie Marquez. We also have our board of director, Miss Marisa Rafael. Last but definitely not the least, Miss Universe Philippines official event stylist, we have Mr. Tay and Den. I love the energy. All right, once again, let us give our signatories a round of applause.
As far as your visuals are concerned. So, for this year, what the viewers can expect as far as your output is concerned?
Ano mo ba yung gusto nilang makita ngayong taon? There's lang. Joke lang. Well, anyway, yun po, malaking bagay yung nagagawa ng mga comments ng mga netizens from every year's pageant that what we have, especially for Miss Universe Philippines. And as the official event stylist of Miss Universe Philippines, I see to it na we have our own brand. We have our own trademark na ang hashtag masterpiece is only for Miss Universe. And yung mga specific designs that what I do every time from the press presentation, which is coming in a few days. So makikita niyo naman po yung mga bago namin na execution po. When it comes with the styling, not only for the styling of the reception and the venue, also for the staging of the pageant po. Yan po. So it's more on modern. Yan. So lalabas natin medyo AI for this year. Mas maganda po.
Okay, follow-up question lang. For 2026 edition ba, yung gagawin nyo, may susundin pa kayong team or you have may peri ka na gawin yung gusto mong
Well, what I really love working with Miss Universe Philippines is every time binibigyan nila ako ng freedom to execute my design. No, of course, with the approval of the operations with the president and Sir Jonas and operations of Miss Universe. Pero yun po yung tiwala na binibigyan nila sa akin every year is talagang masarap kasi yung pakiramdam as a stylist na hindi ma-hold yung imagination ko for every concept that I will do from time to time po. So yun po, yung ginagawa namin. It's hashtag masterpiece and collaboration of MUPH.
Thank you so much.
Welcome po.
Congrats again.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
The next question, you know,
Sir Tay,
Good afternoon po.
good afternoon po. First and foremost, congratulations on your
Thank you.
grabe. Parang it's been 2 years already with your partnership. 3 years
Yes,
with
po.
your partnership with Miss Universe Philippines organization. But I would like to ask, kasi every year, nag-elevate talaga yung design and then expectation ng mga pageant fans, of course. Pero hindi mo naman binibigo rin yung mga pageant fans, especially with your hashtag masterpiece. But for this collaboration and new partnership, naging mahirap ba yung pag-renew ng partnership or hindi naman po?
Yung pag-renew po
Na partnership with Miss Universe Philippines organization.
Hindi po. Actually, I'm very, very happy with Miss Universe Philippines. And parang forever na yun eh. Hashtag masterpiece, MUPH. Ganun po siya. So, hindi po siya mahirap. And yung mga ka-work ko po with Miss Universe Philippines, napakagaan din ang katrabaho from time to time. And alagang-alaga po kami. Yun po yung masasabi ko.
And follow-up lang po, Sir Tay, kasi it seems like sa background pa lang, or logo ng Miss Universe Philippines, it's kind of blue. So, are we expecting sa Galaxy ito sa press presentation or sa finals ba? Or at least sa gala night?
Yeah, well, medyo closer, pero abangan niyo po yung press presentation natin coming in a few days po. Ayan. So yun po yung unang labas po natin ng unang approach po ng hashtag masterpiece for Miss Universe Philippines. Ayan.
Thank you so much po.